As Chief of the Morehead City Fire Department, I'm excited for several big items that are in store for our department over the next couple of years. I'm standing here at the future site of Fire Station 3 on Brook Street, which is roughly 1,100 feet west of our current Fire Station 3, or what some may know as the Wildwood Station. This project was expedited after current Station 3 sustained flooding and major damage from Hurricane Florence in September of 2018. Since then, the town has purchased property and has awarded the Hudson Brothers Construction Company for this design and build project. The goal is to break ground sometime in the next 6 months with a completion date by the end of 2025. This work is funded in part by a state grant approved by the North Carolina Legislature. We are very appreciative and thankful for the generous funding of $2 million to go towards this much needed and long overdue fire station project. This will not only help us better serve the community, but will benefit our employees stationed here, who have had to reside and work in less than ideal quarters for the past several years. We are also pleased to have 3 new fire apparatuses in the works for our department, with a new ladder truck expected this winter and 2 pumper trucks slated for delivery in July of 2026. Having good equipment and gear is a benefit to our residents, visitors, businesses, and staff. In other exciting news, thanks to the Carteret County Fire and EMS Commission and the Carteret County Commissioners, $240,000 of reserve funds were approved from the Morehead City County districts to include the Mitchell Village, Crab Point, and Wildwood Fire District. This money will be used in conjunction with cost sharing from the city to purchase 30 new sets of turnout gear for the department, replace outdated extrication equipment for Station 3, and to purchase a heavy extrication kit, which will be the only one within the county. I am proud of my department and look forward to these notable additions and improvements moving forward.